How to change the language on SHEIN mobile app. So let's start. First, open the app. And then go down here and click on this Me icon. Next, you can see the settings. Click on it. And now we're gonna change the language. So click language. And you can choose from languages. Probably I have only these languages because I'm from Europe. So maybe we can try to sign out and we can see how many languages are there available. So I'm gonna sign out now. Sign out. Let's go. And then I'm gonna click on the settings again. Click language. And it's the same thing. So maybe it's probably about locations. So we're gonna change location, right? So I'm not from Slovakia, but maybe I'm from... We're gonna try America. Perfect. And now click on language. Alright, there is only Espanol and English. So it really matters where you're from. So if you wanna some specific language, try another location. And you can get this. Maybe we can try Australia. And now if you click language, we got only English. Alright. So it depends what is your location, and then you can choose your language. It's all right, guys, I think, because when you are living in Europe, you're probably gonna use these languages. And that's it. This is how can you change language on SHEIN application in 2023. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe so I can do more tutorial videos, and I can do this probably in the future like full time. So if you want to subscribe, please subscribe, and I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.